Now, India's banks have a problem. They're losing depositors to the stock market. Millions of Indians have flocked to the stock market thanks to a recent bull run. That's pushed bank deposit growth to the lowest in more than a year. And this development turned into a worry for the Indian government. And the reason is, bank deposits are the most cost-effective method for the public and private sectors to finance investments. The potential economic advantages of cheaper stock financing are also likely to be overshadowed by this. According to experts, India needs an 8% growth rate to achieve the aim of becoming a developed nation by 2047. However, the country is in a unique position where a stock market bubble threatens to undercut its economic growth pace. Soumyajit Niyogi, a director at India Ratings and Research, the local arm of Fitch Ratings, said, I'm quoting here, if banks are facing challenges to raise long-term stable deposits, it means lack of availability of long-term credit that's needed to fund infrastructure and capex. And also added that this not only impinges overall growth, but also raises the risk of financial stability. Reserve Bank of India Governor Shaktikanta Das and Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman have both pushed banks to find new ways to boost deposits. In particular, the RBI issued a liquidity warning to the banking sector and urged financial institutions to increase deposit levels. The central bank suggested doing so through the use of their extensive branch networks, which span over 125,000 locations across the nation. The relatively low return for savers is driving the shift. Banks pay as little as 2.5% for keeping money in regular savings accounts. Time deposits above 1 year have interest rates of 6.5 to 7% after adjusting for taxes and an average inflation rate of 5% in the last year. Now, depositors have suffered negative returns in contrast. The benchmark Sensex index has climbed 26% in the past year. That has led to an explosion in the number of mutual fund accounts, which have jumped nearly 134 to a record 198 million over the last 5 years. For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.